Welcome back, everybody. It's been a while and I have a very spring video today. The weather is finally beautiful. It's in the 70s today, which is like heavenly. We've got to go to the stores, get flowers, get dirt, maybe find some more outdoor lights. So let's get started cleaning up this patio. Now we just stopped at Starbucks. I normally don't come this late in the day. I was craving a lavender matcha, and then since I have Maple with me, I figured she deserved a half cup. So, Maple, do you want a treat? Why are you acting hesitant? This is what she does. She is so hesitant with food. She like doesn't trust that it's gonna be good. That's so yummy. She takes her time with food. She is not a normal dog that just like gobbles it up, like one bite at a time. Are you happy? Delicious, huh? Don't lick me now. I'll be all sticky. So good. Good girl. You actually did that pretty well. No messes, huh? Yeah, good job. It is a new day, and today is the day that that I am freshening up the patio. It is in desperate need. I picked up some furniture from Facebook. It is vintage. It's just different, it's cute, it's fun. So I feel like it'll be a great set to have out here. Sprayed everything down as best I could. Now I need to trim things in the garden. I need to take down the old lights and add in the new lights. I think I'll start there so that the lights can start generating solar power. So they'll turn on tonight. Old lights are gone. Now let's get new lights out. Bird bath. It's adorable. I also have this old cast iron sundial. It's a little lily pad with a frog on it, and it's so cute. If I could pick this up, I would just pour it in, but last thing for today, I want to put out these little path lights. These are much nicer than my last ones. Morning, it is a new day. And today I need to finish the actual garden. So I think what I have decided is to do a flower box on the one side of our patio that has nothing except it's next to the chairs. Then I'm going to add some more flowers to the actual like raised garden bed, just because there is some extra room in there. So yes, that's what I'm doing today. And I have ordered an outdoor rug. I tried so hard to find one secondhand, and the only ones that were okay were really far away. So need to get some more flowers today, get those planted and looking lovely, and then we can do the finishing touches Saturday. Can it support the weight? I feel like I could bend it so easily. Fuchsia are one of my favorite flowers. I first saw them when I was in Ireland. I have loved them ever since. I just think they are so beautiful and so special. They are little fairy flowers. Pro tip, don't drop your flowers. Okay, so it is Saturday, which means that all of my neighbors are outside, so I'm being a little shy. So last night I had a little bit of a panic moment where I didn't think that the rug that I ordered was gonna come. So we went to Home Goods and we actually did find a rug that could work very well. I was impatient and I already put it out and I do like it. The downside is that this morning when the sun was low, it was extremely bright. It's a very neutral white rug and it was like reflective. The one that I had ordered did come today, so we're gonna take a look at both and see which one looks better. I also got some pillows at Home Goods last night and they're so cute. And then I also got this solar lamp and it will go on the little table. I don't know about you, but I feel like there is an obvious choice here, and it has to be the blue checkerboard. It's a fun and funky combination of everything, and I feel like the white was too boring. We have to go fun. Blue checkerboard it is!